Hello crypto smart investor. If you're watching this video, count yourself lucky because we are going to be revealing to you everything you need to do to participate in the Polygon airdrop that is coming soon. You are likely to going to be airdropped hundreds of dollars, if not to 1,000. So watch this video to the end because we'll be revealing to you everything you need to do. If you notice from my interface here, you have unstoppable domains. You have unstoppable domains, and it's trying to tell you to do what? Get new domain. So we actually already have a domain, so I'm just going to show you how to go about it. So this is your unstoppable domain interface. So once you register, there's a link in the description box below. Just click on that particular link now to go ahead and register. So unstoppable domains, they are actually NFT domains. Okay, so if you want to get started, you can search for the domain name you want to eventually buy. The beauty of this is that they're actually doing a promo. So if you are getting one now, you can actually get one for free. So imagine just paying $20 for a domain name and you are getting two at the price of one. So these are the extension you can actually go for your domain. So you have Meta NFT, just like the one that was chosen, .blockchain, .bitcoin, .dio, .coin, and all that. So some of them are more expensive than the others. Okay, so you have suggested name, you have Meta NFT .wallet. Some of them are less expensive, just like this one that was selected, our favorite, and added to cart. So that is the one that we'll actually be using as our example domain name. So supposing you're actually starting out, this is what you do. Once you've registered, make sure you click on that particular link to participate in this particular airdrop. Now it's going to be massive. Not everybody is talking about it, but I assure you it's going to be massive. So I've added this one to my cart, and I can now go ahead to proceed and make payment. So if you have not watched video on how to transfer crypto assets to a particular account, go ahead to watch the particular video that we made on Binance exchange, because we'll actually be transferring a particular crypto asset to our account so that we can be able to do what? Buy this domain, because there are a whole lot of options for you to buy your domain. You can use PayPal, you can use all that. So we'll get to that eventually. So we selected one item selected. Supposing there are more than 2 domains, you see it here. It's just like checking out in your order page. Alright, so you can start filling your details. Do you live in USA? I don't live in USA. I click on checkout, and it opens here. So you have checkout options for you. You have credit card, so you have PayPal, you have cryptocurrency, and they have a refund policy. Note that in order to get a refund, you must transfer blah 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 blah. Okay, so you have cryptoapp.com. So you have PayPal. So we won't want to use PayPal. You have cryptocurrency. So you can decide to use cryptocurrency. You have crypto.com app. So before you can even use this, you have to download it, and which is a very lengthy process. So just go with cryptocurrency. Crypto has actually made transactions very easy. So if I actually see an e-commerce store that actually accepts crypto, I'll prefer that to the traditional credit card method. So time left. So once you've actually decided to pay with a particular option, they'll give you a time when you have to complete that particular transaction. Okay, so this time is about an hour. So pay by cryptocurrency, select your cryptocurrency and send it to the address below. So if you want to pay by Bitcoin, you just copy exactly this particular amount. This is the particular amount that you're going to send from whatever exchange that you're transferring from, or from whoever is going to transfer it to you. So if you want to pay through Bitcoin Cash, if you want to pay through Ethereum, buy Litecoin, USDC. So all the instruction is there, but I advise that you go with what? Bitcoin Cash, because it's easier, and I actually transfer from Binance to this particular wallet that they've shown to me. So make sure that the wallet that you are shown to is what you are paying from. Okay, so don't go and pay to any other wallet. Now when you get back to the main page, you hit on what? Domains. So once you're in domains, you go to what? My domains. So because I've actually done all these steps, I want to let you know how it will appear when I eventually make the payment. So these are the 2 particular domains that I've actually gotten. One I've gotten for free, one I paid for it. That is, you are paying $20 for 2 domains. Okay, so you are getting one free and you are paying for just one, and it is what, non-renewable. That means you don't pay for any renewal fee, so you are the sole owner of this domain forever. You are the sole owner of this domain forever. So about transaction, look at when this transaction was carried out and when I paid for it. So you can see completed, you can see pending, you can see failed. So we are still on track. So I've actually minted one and I've not minted the other. So what I've just shown us is how to participate in this particular airdrop, how to buy the domain name, as well as how to mint. So I've minted one, I've not minted the other. So as you can see, not minted. So you might be wondering, what is minting? What does it mean to mint? It's just like minting your NFTs on OpenSea. All right, so mint your domain. Not sure about what minting means or why you should do it? Click here to find out why. So note, now you'll be able to mint on Polygon for free using our website. To mint on Polygon, click free mint next to your domain and the my domain section of your website. So you can just read through all this. It's very easy. Okay, web page needs to be refreshed after adding the metamask extension. Now this is why it's very important to actually have a metamask connected to your PC. If you don't have metamask connected to your PC, you can't actually participate in this particular airdrop. All right, so you've actually been excluded. So make sure you install metamask on your PC, following the steps that I've actually illustrated in our video where we showed us how to download metamask to PC. If you're not with that video, go ahead to click the link up there now to do so. So mint domain on Polygon. So domain management and configuration will be available soon. So you click on continue. So once you get here, you notice that it says what? Once minted, your wallet address will be set as the domain owner. So you'll be the sole custodian of that. So while registering, you have an email. That same email will be used to send any means of confirmation to you or verification. So I will send the confirmation. So I'm going to type it in here now. It is a one-time confirmation actually. That means it changes. Eventually, once you are verifying another action, you will not have to type in this again. So because I've actually minted within the last 30 minutes, I can't mint until after 30 minutes. So they have a kind of a policy that you cannot mint 2 domains within 30 minutes. Look at what they say: email verification code not being received. Please note, verification code can be generated every 30 minutes. So I just made this video after I minted the first domain, just to show some of us that want to participate in this airdrop how it's been done, because sharing knowledge is actually where I found fulfillment on. I cannot just know it and keep it to myself. I decide to share to the community, and I'm giving it to you for free on a platter of gold. You're not paying anything extra. How about that? So first, please check your spam folder and blah blah. So the essence of it is always that once you're participating in this airdrop, you are paying for a domain and you're getting one for free. While minting, after you minted the first one, you have to wait 30 minutes extra to mint the second, because whatever verification email that they send to you will not work, or they will not send the verification email until after 30 minutes. So the verification email eventually comes after 30 minutes. I have to wait, pause the video and continue after 30 minutes. So they say choose wallet. So you are choosing your wallet now. So it's actually the same wallet, but if you go to add new wallet, the wallet you already have connected to your PC will show up. So add new wallet, we are using metamask actually. So you click on metamask and it automatically detects the metamask connected to your what? PC. Make sure you're using Chrome browser for these actions, or you're using Mozilla Firefox. But since I'm using Chrome, try and do so. So mint your domain. You are minting the following domain: pro-smart-crypto.wallet. So we are going pro. Okay. So domain owner will be assigned to a following wallet address. So you click on I understand, and you see that one in this action is irreversible. So you click on confirm. Click on confirm and you say minting process started. Your domain is now being deployed into the blockchain and your crypto wallet. So by tomorrow, by next month, by next year, this particular domains will be selling for as high as $500, $1,000, who knows. So why don't you take the action now? It only costs you what, $20. And I'm not sending the $20 to me. It is for your own good. Make good use of free information sometimes. It is for your own good. It pays to take action. All right, so now this is what I have for my domains. You notice that I have one already minting and I have one already minted. Okay, one is still in the process of minting and one has completed. So once this one is completed, you notice that I can do what? Manage your domains. It's very, very easy. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead to smash that subscribe button now. Yes, smash it. So you have add cryptocurrency addresses. So here you can add your cryptocurrency address. That ETH address you are seeing there is the ETH address that is in your metamask. So it's added there by default. So you can decide to add other cryptocurrency addresses from your other wallets. So you can actually edit them to your taste. So suppose you want to sell eventually, people that are buying from you will see different options to input their wallet to. Is that all right? So supposing you have a website, you'll be able to manage your website starting from December 9th. Thanks for your patience. So this actually, everything is new, and they are coming up with new innovations and all that. So it's good to have first-hand information. All right, it's good to have first-hand information. If you like the value we are adding to this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. That is actually a way to encourage us. You're not paying us any dime. Make sure you share this video to your friends that are actually starting out in crypto. Make sure you like this video. That will actually help YouTube algorithm to show you more of these videos like this and to show our videos to many other users like you. So you can actually sell this on OpenSea. So list your domain for sale on the largest marketplace for NFTs, that is OpenSea.io. Hope I got that domain right. So you can actually check this for sale. You can list it for sale and it is up for sale. The only thing is that it's actually free to list it on their unstoppabledomains.com. Alright, you don't have to pay a penny, but you have to actually pay to list it on OpenSea. Is that okay? So list for your domain, list your domain for sale in minutes. How it works? So contact, email, and all that. So once published, email can be removed from. So you have, I hit on cancel since I don't want to list it for now. All right. So I have 2 domains and it is mine forever and it is mine to keep forever. How about that? It's very, very easy to get in on these airdrops. Remember to trade responsibly. Peace out.